Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 6 latest defense updates. Number 1, induction of tiny kamikaze drones for counter-terror operations. The Indian Army has made a significant stride in counter-terrorism operations with the induction of the Hover Bee, a miniature kamikaze drone developed by Bangalore-based startup Zulu Defense. This 15 centimeter long 260-gram drone is designed to navigate complex environments and neutralize threats with precision. Major Samar Tur, a veteran infantry officer and chief growth officer at Zulu Defense, highlights the Hover Bee's capabilities. Next, high-speed UAVs with turbojet engines. Domestic aerospace startup DG Propulsion Private Limited has made significant strides in India's indigenous defense manufacturing by showcasing its turbojet engine. This engine is set to power the upcoming high-speed UAV being developed by state-owned Bharat Dynamics Limited for the Indian Army. While specific details about the engine's capabilities remain unclosed. Next, Astra missile set to be standardized BV-RAM across fleet. The Indian Air Force has secured a major boost to its arsenal capabilities with the recent clearance for the production of 200 Astra MK-1 missile. MKI missile. This indigenous beyond visual range air-to-air missile is set to replace the aging Russian R-77, significantly enhancing the IAF's air superiority. The Astra MKI has undergone rigorous testing and has already been integrated into the Sukhoi Su-30 MKI fleet, with plans to equip the Mirage 2000, MiG-29 and Tejas fighters in the future. The transition from the limited series production phase to full-scale production is a crucial milestone, enabling domestic production on a larger scale and reducing reliance on foreign suppliers. Next, Zorawar versus 2 S-25 Sprut SD, a comparative analysis. Indian Army's light tank requirement will see face-off between DRDO's and L&T developed Zorawar light tank and AWEIL proposed Russian 2 S-25 Sprut SD. This compares the two prominent light tanks, the Indian Zorawar and the Russian S-2 S-25. Both of these platforms embody the fusion of mobility and firepower, but they cater to different operational needs and strategic doctrines. Zorawar light tank, developed by India's DRDO, address the specific needs of the Indian Army, particularly in high altitude areas like Ladakh and Arunachal Pradesh. The tank is named after Zorawar Singh, a legendary military general known for his campaigns in the Himalayas, reflecting its intended use in mountain terrain. The S-25 Sprut SD is armed with a 125 mm smooth-bore gun, the same as used by Russia's main battle tanks like the T-72 and T-90. This gives the Sprut SD formidable firepower capable of engaging and destroying MBTs. The gun can fire a wide range of munition, including APF SDS, HEAT, and guided missile. The Sprut SD's firepower is complemented by advanced fire control systems, making it a potent adversary in direct combat. Next, deep tech ecosystem expansion. Yesterday, Art Park, that is Artificial Intelligence and Robotics Technology Park, played host to Shri Priyank M. Khadge, the Ministry of IT, BT and SNT, Government of Karnataka, at their innovative space, Art Garage. The visit marked a significant milestone in fostering closer collaboration between the government and the deep tech community in Karnataka, with the aim of expanding the region's technological ecosystem. Next, Solar India to expand global footprints. Solar Industries India Limited is gearing up for significant international expansion. The company's managing director and CEO Manish Nubal has announced plans to enter new markets in Kazakhstan and Thailand. Additionally, the acquisition of ProBlast BS Limited in South Africa underscores the company's commitment to strengthening its global presence. Thank you.